It's a new era for weight loss medication with the arrival and approval of a new pill.
It is the first of its kind, and experts say that it will deliver the results that are very similar to the injection. Fox News' Madison Alworth has more.
Big news for the weight loss industry as the FDA approves the first ever GLP-1 pill, a version of Novo Nordisk's Wegovy. The daily pill includes Semaglutide, the same active ingredient as the Wegovy injection, as well as Ozempic. And clinical trials have shown the pill delivers similar results to the weekly shots. Until now, these popular medications have only been available via injection. With this new option, some Americans may be more willing to take it.
People would much rather prefer to actually just take a pill instead of poking themselves.
Novo Nordisk has not released a price for the Wegovy pill yet, but we do know that they have reached a deal with the Trump administration to sell the lowest dose of the pill for $149 a month for people who pay out of pocket.
They've often cost consumers more than $1,000 per month, and some a lot more than that.
More than 40% of Americans are considered obese. This more accessible version of Wegovy is expected to give broader access to those who previously could not afford the drug.
We know that obesity is one of the leading causes of death in America, and that if you can get this pill down to, $149 a month or $200 a month, a lot of Americans are going to be willing to pay that price in order to get off sort of their other medications related to obesity-related complications and to extend both the quality of their life and its length.
The weight loss market is projected to reach $150 billion in the next decade.